Just another day at Sunbelt Roofs here in sunny and cool Destrahan, Louisiana. Just wanted to share with you, you've probably seen on maybe Instagram, some of our other channels, this beautiful property that had a damaged concrete tile roof, and this homeowner chose to go with the class 4 impact rated Malarkey shingles in Midnight Black. And just wanted to show you how well this turned out. They absolutely love it. Beautiful, beautiful property. But check us out on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, sunbeltroofs.com. Certainly give us a call in Southeast Louisiana, 985-805-6921, or the Mississippi Gulf Coast, 228-222-5255. Stay tuned.